now we are ahead in the second place. It's I think so it's 101 kilometers far away from this store, so let's see what they have in other store. And this is his second warehouse, so we're gonna have a look in here and give you more information about the place. And so as we came on the lunchtime, it's lunchtime, so we decided to go and have a lunch. Big shout out for those people, and hope so we'll have something good. I'll show you inside what we can order and some Korean food, and stay tuned. So we are about to go to the restaurant, and first thing, a special time for them. The people was very kind, and I couldn't record a lot of videos from inside. I feel a little bit awkward because the people was eating, so I don't want to make them uncomfortable. So we had the noodle, it was very good taste, and after that we finished. The city we was in here, it's like not a big city, it was a small city, but it was a good view as well. And on the way back to the store, I just noticed that in behind of their shop there was a big good place, mountain, rivers. We are back in here, so we'll see what we can find, and let's have a look on this shop and see what this place they have. And for those people who are new, please make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and of course like this video, and please share this video for those people who are interested on a car, who are interested on a spare parts business. So let's do this and see what this place is about. So this is the main door for the shop. We'll go inside and see what we can find. The first thing, if you guys notice, there's no any shelf on it to cover it. It's a very safety place, no one care what exactly you're doing, and most of these items are like valuable, but still no one is trying to steal anything. And this is the same guy place who have lot of front pumpers, and as we can see, that system also continue. Starting, they have lot of front pumper they store, and this side they store a lot of doors. This is the BMW part. They store all the front bumper in here. I think this special color is only for the BM M4. Even I can see the headlight design. So they have lot of bumpers front, and what else we can find. And of course this is the Mercedes section. I think this 3 line, that's meant for, this is for the AMG version. Yeah, that front bumper was for the AMG 117. That's the code name for the Mercedes. And this is all for the Volkswagen, the front bumper, and again the rear bumper as well. And this side they store American cars. I'm not sure, I couldn't find any. Yeah, this is the Ford Mustang, and that'll be for the Corvette, I think. Parts, so a lot of bumpers. And let's see it from the main store what they have. So this is the place they store most of the fender, so let's see what we can find. And it's really lot of front fender I can see. And this is the Grand Sport. I think this is for the Maserati, because every vehicle have their own sign, special sign for the fender. This 3 dot, it comes always for the Maserati. And this is behind of this shop. As you can see, it's like people are doing their own job, farming, and a lot of trees. Okay, we'll continue the video. And this side is all for the fender, and it's mixed. They didn't categorize it, so they put everything mixed as a size. So it's more smaller, they put till to the end. More bigger, they put it on the front there, so they can find easily. So let's go inside and see what we can find more spare parts on this shop. And this is the place inside, and as you can see, there's a lot of bonnet in here, most of the body part, and of course there's headlight as well. So I asked the owner, they said this is the place most of the item is for the Mercedes as well. So this is the final place I'm going to show you. It's they store all the BM and Mercedes headlight. And this is the upstairs. As you can see, they store all the front headlight. So starting from here, they store only for the American cars, a lot of American cars. And if you can notice, the orange thing always comes on the side of the headlight. That's for the American headlights. So even the a Japanese car or a Germany car who comes special for the US market, so they have to have this orange side. So that's why it's easy to know the car is, or the headlight is American spec or not, other country spec. And this is for the Nissan and Honda. I can see also all the Honda's headlight. As you can see, this is the new one, 2019 headlight for the Honda. And down of that, there's a lot of Toyota brand. This is Prius and Toyota 86, again Prius. There's a lot of, and Camry as well. And down of that, there's for the Lexus, that's for LS, GS and ES. So there's a lot of headlight, as you can see. So this is again with the BM headlight. I can see a lot of BM headlight, and I'm not sure how they're gonna walk on this place, because they store on the middle, they store on the side, right and left, so it's very hard for them also to. And this headlight, just throw it away. They didn't care about it. It's most of them are damaged, and it's like mix of the models. It's not like one brand. They have BM, they have Mercedes, they have Lexus, they have Porsche. Even I saw the Tesla, the new one, and I can see some Maserati as well. So oh my god, this place have a lot of. So this is the place when the headlight get damaged, they need to take some item from them. So they need to take some item from it, so that's why they didn't throw out. And this is the Maserati headlight. This is again the 3 dot, as we see on the front fender as well. And this is the small workshop when they fix the headlight. So I can tell you, and this is the polish motor for them. So they polish the headlight, and this one on that one, it depends on the damage for the headlight. And this place, this is all the polish thing. Any item need to be a little bit clean, so we can sell to the customers. So in this place, they clean, they polish, they do everything for the headlight, and after that they package, and of course sell to the customers. So it's very interesting to show you this kind of small thing. So guys, this is end of this video. So thank you for watching till to the end, and please make sure to subscribe and of course share this video for those people who are interested on the spare parts. So I have a lot of ideas, guys, to show you, and of course like this video and share for those people who are interested on this kind of business. So see you for the next video. Poof.